Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the powerful versatile kitchen essential. This product is the Ninja 3-in-1 Detect Power Blender Processor Pro model TB401. Whether you are a home chef or someone who values convenience in the kitchen, this appliance could quickly become your go-to tool. The Ninja 3-in-1 stand out with its sleek black finish and solid build quality. It has a modern, compact design while still delivering the performance of a much larger appliance. The base features a clean digital control panel with intuitive presets that make operation simple and smooth. At the heart of this machine is 1200 watts smart motor that provides consistent high-powered performance. It uses smart torque and auto IQ technology to automatically detect which attachment you are using, whether it is the blending jug, the food processor bowl, or single serve cup, and adjust the power and speed accordingly. That means no guesswork, just great results. It is a 3-in-1 appliance designed to handle a wide variety of tasks, from blending smoothie to chopping vegetables and even mixing dough. The included dough blade makes it easy to prepare pizza dough or pastries at home, giving you fresh results without the manual work. And when you are done, cleanup is a breeze since most parts are dishwasher safe. In the packaging, you will find 1200 watts motor base, a 2.1 liter food processor bowl, a 1.8 liter blending jug, and a 700 ml single serve cup with a lid for drinks on the go. You also get 3 blade assemblies: the stacked blending blade, a chopping blade, and dough blade, all easy to swap depending on your task. This product is ideal for anyone who enjoys cooking, prepping meals in advance, or simply wants a reliable multifunctional kitchen appliance. Whether you are making a morning smoothie, dicing ingredients for dinner, or kneading dough for homemade pizza, the Ninja TB401 delivers convenience, power, and precision.
I have 3 smoothie cups. So these are the things it comes with, which is a massive bonus. It comes with 3 smoothie cups. And this is food processor. This is more like the whole Ninja set. This is a food processor. So we see it comes with processor and it comes with a blender. And this is the main machine. And it has the settings, manual, blend sense, and the mode. You can see the on button. Press the die to start or stop any program. Everything you need for your kitchen blending, your processing, all have here in one set. Alright guys, just thought to show you.
This gadget deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.